Leucoma, it means opacity in cornea. Opacity in cornea, depending on density of opacity, it is three types: nebula, macula and leucoma. Leucoma is the most dense. Leucoma occurs, or opacity occurs in cornea when corneal stroma is damaged by any means. So, leucoma may be total or partial, depending on how much area of cornea is involved. Etiology: healed corneal ulcer, healed keratitis, penetrating injury of the cornea, operating injury of the cornea, any damage, any foreign body which damage the corneal stoma, and corneal dystrophy. In leucoma, some changes occurs in long time, like number 1, clearing of the cornea. In infant, the gross opacity may disappear entirely, and in adult, sometimes area of clear area or clear line appear in central part of the leucoma, which is known as Fuchs line of clearing. It is usually associated with vascularization of the leucoma. Second is pigmentary changes. Apart from adherent leucoma, in which there is brown pigmentation, in leucoma occurs due to migration of melanin pigment from iris. There is a yellowish brown line appear in epithelium of the leucoma, which is known as Hudson-Easterly line. Hudson-Easterly line. It is due to hemosiderin, which is derived from neovascularized leucoma, or melanin derived from fixed or basal corneal cells of the epithelium, or that is basal layer cells of the corneal epithelium, which is a potential melanoblast. Now, reduction in sensitivity, tactile and pain sensation is reduced. Degenerative changes. Two types of degenerative changes occurs. Number 1, haline degeneration, which is most common, and second is calcareous degeneration, in which there is a spontaneous necrosis of scar tissue of the leucoma, which is sloughed out and form atheromatous corneal ulcer. Now, clinical features: visual impairment. If leucoma is away from pupillary area, there is no visual impairment. If the leucoma is situated in pupillary area of the cornea, there is not hall of vision. Management: cosmetic management, tattooing is done in leucoma. It is done with 3 reagents. Number 1, 2% gold chloride, 2% platinum chloride and 2% hydrogen hydrate. These 3 reagents cause blackening of the leucoma, and it stay for 2 years if leucoma is not vascularized. If leucoma is vascularized, the blackening of the cornea or dye disappear very quickly. Second is for vision. If the cornea is affected in such a manner that there is marked fall of vision, keratoplasty is done. 2 types of keratoplasty: lamellar keratoplasty, which is known as half thickness keratoplasty or corneal graft, and penetrating keratoplasty, which means full thickness keratoplasty, means a full thickness corneal graft. Next is optical iridectomy. Suppose the patient is not ready for keratoplasty, then for improvement of the vision, optical iridectomy is done. The pupillary area is extended in peripheral part by complete iridectomy. The common site is downwards and inwards. But if there is leucoma in that part of the cornea, a temporal part of the cornea is selected to increase the peripheral field of the vision. Suppose in that part of the cornea is also involved in leucoma, then we should select that part of the cornea which is that part of the iris which is not covered by leucoma. So this is all about leucoma. Then adherent leucoma. It means adhesion of a part of the iris to the leucoma. Causes: perforating corneal ulcer, operating wound of the cornea, and perforating injury of the cornea. In perforating injury of the cornea, if the perforation is in just center of the pupil, in which there is no iris, there is no chance of iris prolapse. So there is no adherent leucoma. Now complications. In adherent leucoma, the anterior chamber is shallow, so secondary glaucoma occurs. Then clinical features. The anterior chamber is shallow around the adhesion, and the pupil is drawn towards the adhesion of the iris with leucoma, and there is brown pigment on surface of the leucoma, which is in which the pigment is derived from iris. Management. In management, synectomy is done, in which there is separation of the iris from opaque part of the cornea, and followed by keratoplasty. So synectomy with keratoplasty. Now hypopian ulcer of cornea. It occurs, etiology, it occurs in senile, generally senile person, debilitated person, and alcoholics. The causative agents are pneumococcus, Pseudomonas pyogenes, Morex axenfeld diplobacillus, and fungus and pox virus. Clinical features. Symptom: pain in eye, lacrimation, photophobia, blurring of vision, and headache. Clinical sign: there is edema of the lids, conjunctival congestion, chemosis of conjunctiva, ciliary congestion, and incornea